So now what we want to do is we want to show any register errors. Okay. So we're going to use the same thing. We're going to use an animated builder, right? So we'll say animated builder. All right, so what we want to do here. So we got the animation. Let me just format it down here so we can see it a little bit better, right? So it's going to be the same as before. Login register logic, build context, and then widget, optional, widget, open, close curly brackets. So what are we going to return here with the builder, right? We're going to return a visibility because we only want this to show if there's an error. If there's no errors, we don't want to show anything here, okay? So what is the child going to be? It's going to be a column. It's going to have children. Okay, one is the size box because we want to put a little bit of a height here. We want to put about 24 pixel height between the button and this error message. We want a row, children, and we want this to be expanded. And the child is going to be a divider. And the end intent, I want to indent it 16 pixels. Right. And what is the text going to be here? We want to be a text. So the error message is going to be what? The login register logic, right? The login register info. The login register error message. Here we go, the first one, right? And then we just say toString. ToString. Perfect. I'm going to put a comma at the end. And I'm going to do another expanded. And here, I'm also going to put another divider, okay? It's going to be a divider. And we're going to indent 16 pixels. I'm going to save. Very good. Oops. Let's spell text correctly with the capital T. That's looking good. All right. So now after the column, what do we need to add, right? We need to have a way for it to know when it's visible and not visible, right? So that's going to be login register logic. Yeah, you guessed it. Login register info, right? And then show login register error. Visibility, let me put a comma here. And let's put on the visibility. We'll close that up. That's looking good. So yes, we'll move the child down. That's looking real good. Excellent. So when there's an error, this will show up for us. Great. You use the animated builder to only redraw individually the register error message without rebuilding the entire build tree. Next, you'll create the login button.